gotten, tomorrow is going to be our test, okay? So what's on the test, we'll go through everything that's on it. I want everyone to do well on the test. It's the first test of the year. I want you to feel good about yourself, do a good job on it, so that's my expectation. We're going to start with the warm-up, then we'll do our test review. Our test review works the same every single year. And Sadler, our first today, February the 13th, 2018. Let's do the warm-up, yeah. All right, Aaron, you're up first. 2/3 plus 1/4. What do we do for this? Whoops. What do we do for this one, please?
Let's find a common denominator.
Good. What's the common denominator?
12.
How'd you get that?
The 3 times 4, which is
Good. So on the left-hand side, what do we multiply by?
4.
On the right-hand side, what do we multiply by?
3.
Very good. So if everyone takes a look here, just to make sure we're good from yesterday, for those who were here yesterday, okay, right? To get your common denominator, just multiply 3 times 4. The left-hand side, you're going to multiply by 4, so you get over 12. The right-hand side, you're going to multiply by 3. Get that. All right, Emma, what is 2 times 4, please? Good. And 1 times 3 is? Alan, how about take your airplane from me? What is what is 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12?
11.
11 over 12. Now, if you're saying to yourself, oh no, my name is Aaron, I have no idea how to add fractions, which I know you do, okay? But if you're somebody that's thinking that, don't worry, we'll get lots of practice for this today. Okay, this is going to be a big part of the test tomorrow. There's going to be fractions, a lot of them tomorrow. Okay, so I want to make sure you guys are all comfortable with them, okay? We'll lots of practice. All right, Caleb, you're up. Caleb, it says 1 2/5 plus 3 1/2. You know, this looks terrifying. I know. What's the very first step to do, please, Caleb?
1 times 5.
Very good. So you said 1 times 5 and add 2, and you get 7 over 5. That's called an improper fraction. You're changing it from a mixed number to an improper fraction. All right, Adam, what do you do with 3 1/2, please? Very good. So that's 7 over 2. Okay, so 7 over 5 plus 7 over 2 is really what that is. All right, Emily, what do we do next, please? Awesome. So 5 times 2 is? You're not quite done yet, although you're doing a great job. What did we multiply the left-hand side by?
2.
And what did we multiply the right-hand side by?
5.
Wonderful. All right. Just wait, I had a great. Why can't I not remember your name? Your cool name. You only give me short form. Just wait. Quentin, I got that then. Quentin, I'm sorry. Okay, so what's the left-hand side? 7 over 5 is the same as? What over 10?
7 times 2.
Yeah, 7 times 2 is? And 7 times 5 is? There's no wizard behind you. Now remember, for tomorrow, I will photocopy a times table and your number line. You're not texting on your phone right now during class, are you? You put that away. Okay, Dalen, 14 over 10 plus 35 over 10 is what, please? 29 over 10. So all he did there, right, was he just added the 2 numerators. So you can use his calculator or use his brain. Okay, 14 plus 35 is 49 and stays over 10. There will be someone in this class that tells me it's over 20. It is not. We did the common denominator thing at the beginning. You know what I mean? To separate them into groups and recombine. And we just add them together. Any questions before we get started on our review? Good. Okay. Anyone else have a plan to give me before I start the class? Anyone else? No? One. We don't win this week. Something bad is going on in the school, okay?
Conspiracy.
Now, I don't know if I should say this out loud, okay, but I'm going to pause here for a sec. So I'm sort of concerned. I'm going to say this. Never mind my problems. Okay, you look at that first page. Which one is your least favorite question? A, B, C, D, E, or F? Just pick one randomly, it doesn't matter.
Go with F.
F, oh my goodness.
Probably a good choice.
That's probably a good choice. All right, so here we go. This is a bed mass question. Okay, so when you do bed mass, just remember the order that you're doing things. What's the first thing you do for bed mass? Bracket. So we're going to do the bracket first. So we're going to ignore that squared and just do that big bracket. Now there's lots of stuff inside that bracket. What do we do after brackets? Exponents. There's no exponents inside the bracket. There's an exponent there, but that too we're going to ignore because we're just doing the brackets. After exponents, what comes next? Multiplication. Very good. All right, so Caden, what do we do first inside the brackets then? Which part? Sorry? 5 times 2, very good. So Caden, what's 5 times 2, please? Awesome. Okay, so just do one step at a time, and that's enough. You should write this down, Caden, because you got to hand this in, okay, eventually. All right, Liam, what do we do next then? What's the next step we're going to do, please? Liam, what's the next step we're going to do, please? We still have to do bed math, right? So we still have to multiply. What's the other multiply inside the bracket? What's the other multiply inside the bracket? Negative 4 times 2. What's negative 4 times 2? Negative 8, very good. So it's going to be then negative 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 10 minus 8. Woo, this is getting big. Okay, so see what we're doing? Just making one line easier. All right, Trent, what is negative 2 plus 3, please? What's 3 minus 2?
Negative 5.
Oh, careful. Because they're opposites, like subtracting, right? So you do it backward. Negative 2 plus 3 would also be like 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is? 1. So there's 1. Okay? All right, Kevin, 1 minus 4.
3.
Close? Yeah. So you're starting 1, you're getting 4 less. It's not going to be 3, it's going to be negative 3. Negative 3. Just out of the way. A second. All right, Haley, 10 minus 3, please. 7. Yeah, that's the front. 7 minus 8 is?
Minus 8 is 1.
Close.
Negative.
Negative 1. Okay. So see, this is a hard question. You picked a good one, Ben, to start with. Emma, it's your turn to shine. Negative 1 squared means what?
Negative 1 times negative 1.
Good. What's negative 1 times negative 1?
Positive 2. No, positive 1.
Positive 1. Okay, this was a level 10 difficulty. Well, maybe not 10. 9.5. That'll be about the hardest thing you'd see on your test with this. Okay? It feels sort of okay. Again, it's just going through one step at a time. That's what you got to think of, okay? So you do your brackets first, then you look through, you do the multiplication inside the brackets, right? And you do the adding and subtracting, and then you square at the end, that's on the inside. Okay? Oh, well, there'll be one more on the front. Alan, your choice. A, B, C, D, E, or F, please. Or A, B, C, D, or E, would you like to do?
C.
C, perfect. Let's capture this. How do I save this now? Perfect. Whoa, that was very intense. Okay, C. Actually, good right here. All right, so negative 2 plus 5 times negative 2 squared plus 1. This is a prime bed mass question.
You do the exponent first.
We'll do the exponent first. So what's negative 2 times negative 2, please?
Positive 4.
Wonderful. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is this right here. Negative 2 times negative 2. That's awesome. Okay, Caleb, what comes next, please?
Number multiplication.
Good, so what's negative 5 plus 4, please?
Negative
This is a big number. How do I get so big? I'm sorry. I know my hair's in your way, I'm sorry. Okay. Adam, negative 2 plus negative 20.
negative 22.
Awesome. Emily, negative 22 plus 1. Perfect. Now, just remember when you do these, okay, guys, you're allowed to use your calculators, okay, right? So if you get stuck, now what I don't want to see is you go from here to here in one step, right? This is like a 3-mark question. It's a 3-mark question. How many things do I need to see, Dylan? Good. It's a 28-mark question. How many things do I need to see? Very good. Easy enough, right? Okay. It's a 1-mark question. How many things do I need to see? Final answer. That's all I need to see, and I get a mark for. Okay, but if there's like more marks, I need to see more things. Okay, you guys want to do one more on the front, or do you want to move on to the fractions? Want to do one more on the front?
Yeah.
Okay. Quentin, or Quinn. A, B, C, D, E, or F, please. E, D. Oh, this one looks tricky. Now, I want you guys to stay awake on this, because this is one that people, is this a little similar, and this is more the one that people got mixed up on the assignment? Or not really, I guess it was the opposite.
Probably
Slash is division.
C probably would have been
We did C, so C is good.
close.
Okay. All right, letter D. So, Quentin, what do we do first here from bed mass?
Brackets.
Brackets. I don't really see any brackets. There's brackets around every single thing, but times, okay? Let's do this part first. Times and division work the same way. So, what's negative 2 times negative 3?
Positive
Close. That's okay. What's that slash mean? Because my math is awful. What's that slash mean? Dividing, right? Okay. Dale, it's your time to shine. What do we do next, please?
division.
You can do, nah.
Wait.
I'd rather multiply. Division would still work, but division's going to give you a fraction. We don't like fractions. Okay, so let's multiply instead.
It's too late.
Yeah, it is 2 rings. Okay, so Dylan, what's negative 4 times negative 5?
Sorry for the interruption. This is the last call for anyone who would like to go to family studies group for pancakes.
All right, Benjamin. Do you want Benjamin or Ben?
Ben.
Ben's not it. It's a joke. Okay, it's a joke. 20 divided by 2, please, Ben.
5 times.
Very good. All right, and Aaron, since you moved spots, this is your new spot. 6 plus 10 is? 16. Okay, so I'm going to move to the next page right now. You guys are responsible for the other 3 questions on here, okay? And go from there.
And if it helps you when you're going through those, to underline what you're gonna do next, or highlight what you're gonna do next, right, get your highlighter
Yeah,
out.
sorry, I tried to, I forgot at some points there, but yeah, that's a good advice. Okay? I'm gonna stop this and take a little break.